class 11th. Today we are going to deal with the new topic starting from chapter 11. Okay, today we are going to understand the aspects of mean deviation. Okay, so let us understand what is mean deviation and what are the formulas through which mean deviation can be calculated. Generally, mean deviation is the arithmetic average of deviations which is taken from some statistical series, that is mean, median or mode. And second thing is that in taking the deviations of the values, the algebraic plus and minus sign is ignored. So mean deviation is nothing, it is the deviation from the deviation from the statistical average, that is the deviation from the mean, median or the mode. Okay, in this particular series we will understand how deviations occur from its mean, from its median or from its mode. So let us understand the formula part of the mean deviation. Mean deviation can be calculated by the help of mean, median as well as mode. Okay, but while using this formula you have to understand that whenever you will calculate the deviation from whether mean, median or mode, the sign, minus sign, if it is occurring, then it must be ignored. Okay, it must be behave like a positive sign. So if you are going to calculate the mean deviation with the help of mean, okay, so it is denoted as mdx bar, because arithmetic mean is calculated as or denoted as x bar. So mdx bar is equal to summation means addition, summation modulus. Here the modulus means it is free from any sign. Okay, so summation of modulus x minus x dash, x minus x bar, okay, divided by m, or it can be also written as mdx bar is equal to summation of modulus dx bar divided by n, if it is calculated with the help of arithmetic mean. Suppose if you are going to calculate the mean deviation with the help of median, yes, it can also be calculated, and the formula for that is summation modulus x minus m upon n, or m dm is equal to summation modulus dm upon m. Okay, and if it is calculated by the help of mode, then the formula for the mean deviation through mode is equal to summation modulus x minus z upon n, or m dz is equal to summation modulus dz upon n. And we know that it is calculated in the form of the absolute terms. It is calculated in the form of absolute terms. We can also be asked to calculate the mean deviation in relative terms. Means if it is calculated in the relative terms, then it is called as the coefficient. Relative terms is also called as the coefficient. So the formula part of coefficient for mean deviation through mean, through median and through mode, through mean mdx bar divided by arithmetic mean, it is the formula for the coefficient of mean deviation through mean, mdx bar upon x bar, mdm upon n, it is the coefficient of mean deviation through median, and mdz upon z is the mean deviation through mode. Means coefficient of mean deviation through mode. So this is all about the formula part. What we have to do in this particular topic? While calculating the mean deviation, first of all, we have to calculate the averages. Means we have to first calculate the mean, median and then after mode. Then we have to find out the deviations from its central values. That is, we have to calculate the deviation which is occurring from the mean, whether it is occurring from the median or from mode. generally the calculation of mean deviation is used only the arithmetic mean and the median. Seldomly the mode is being used. So we will also take a question, okay, and we will solve the mean deviation with the help of mean and median. So hereupon I am having a question in which a serial number up to 9 is given, because it is belonging to a individual series. Okay, we will calculate the mean deviation through mean and median in individual series. I am having a question, okay, in which 9 values is given, 9 items is given, and their wages. Suppose the wages is being given, okay, like 40, 42, 45, 47, 50, 51, 54, 55, and 57. Now, according to the situation, we have to calculate the deviation. So, first of all, we will calculate the deviation through median. Then after we will calculate the deviation through mean. And then after we will calculate the situations, or then after we will calculate the question. So, hereupon I have calculated the deviation from median. So, what is needed? You have to first calculate the median. Only then you will calculate the deviation. Okay. So, how the median is being calculated? Median is calculated by the help of the formula m is equal to size of n plus 1 upon 2. Okay. So, m is equal to size of 9 values are given. So, 9 plus 1 upon 2. So, m will be the fifth value, and accordingly fifth value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is 50. So, the median is 50. Hereupon I have written median as 50. Okay. So, we have to calculate the deviations. I have written here the deviations, that is modulus 40 minus 50, 10, 42 minus 50, 8, 45 minus 50, 5. In this way, all values is being calculated. And then after, summation of modulus dm is being calculated here as 43. Once again, this is the calculation part of mean deviation through median, and let us go through the calculation part of mean deviation through mean. Okay, so for that sake, first of all, the mean is required. Only then we will calculate the deviation part. So mean is being calculated as x bar is equal to summation of x upon n. It is the formula for calculating mean in individual series. Then we will add up all the values, all the items. So if we are going to add up all these values, we will find 441 as the addition. So 441 upon 9, that is rupees 49 will be the arithmetic mean. So the arithmetic mean will be written here. X bar is equal to 49, and once again we will take the deviations from its mean. So I have given here the deviations also. Modulus 40 minus 49, that is 9. Modulus 42 minus 49, that is 7. Modulus 45 minus 49, that is 4. In this way, all the values is being calculated here. And then after, at last, the summation of modulus dx bar is being calculated, that is 44. सबको आपको ऐड करना है. जैसे ही आप सबको ऐड करेंगे आपको वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. अब हमारा जो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन है, क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन में हमें मीन डेविएशन कैलकुलेट करना है मीडियन के थ्रू और मीन के थ्रू. हमारे पास डेविएशन मौजूद है, ठीक है. अब हमें कैलकुलेशन में ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. तो फॉर्मूला आपका है मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन इज इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ मॉडुलस dm अपॉन n. ऑलरेडी हमने कैलकुलेट किया था डेविएशन मीडियन का, ठीक है, जो हमारा 43 आया था, वैल्यू 43. इस 43 को यहाँ पे रखेंगे. तो 43 अपॉन 9 हमारा जो मीन डेविएशन होगा वो 4.78. मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन, सो इट विल बी रुपीज 4.78. अब इसका कोफिशिएंट भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन इज इक्वल टू mdm अपॉन m, दैट इज मीडियन. So 4.78 divided by 50 is equal to 0.096, and we have to calculate. If you want to calculate the mean deviation about mean also, then hereupon the calculation is given. Mean deviation about mean is equal to summation of modulus dx bar upon n is equal to 49 upon 9. ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बताया कि 49 हमने कैलकुलेट किया था मीन डेविएशन, ठीक है, और ये 49 को डिवाइड करेंगे 9 से, हमें मिलेगा 4.89. इसका कोफिशिएंट भी हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ मीन डेविएशन अबाउट arithmetic mean is equal to m dx bar upon x bar is equal to 4.89 upon 449, that is 0.10. So इस तरह से आपने देखा बहुत ही आसान तरीका है, आप आसानी से अपने मीन डेविएशन को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, मीन के थ्रू भी, मीडियन के थ्रू भी और मोड के थ्रू भी. यहाँ पे हमने आपको मीन के थ्रू और मीडियन के थ्रू कैलकुलेट करके दिखाया इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में. ये बहुत ही सिंपल इंडिविजुअल सीरीज का क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है. इसमें आपको सीरियल नंबर 9 तक वैल्यूज दी गई थी, वेजेस दिया गया था अलग अलग 9 लोगों का. इन वेजेस को हमने सबसे पहले यहाँ पे मीडियन कैलकुलेट किया और मीडियन कैलकुलेट करने के बाद डेविएशन कैलकुलेट किया. हमने माइनस साइन को इग्नोर किया क्योंकि ये मॉडुलस लगा था, तो मॉडुलस का मतलब है कि साइन को इग्नोर करना है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा 40 - 50 इज इक्वल टू 10. एक्चुअली पे -10 आता, लेकिन हमने -10 को क्या किया, माइनस साइन को इग्नोर किया, ठीक है. तो इस तरह से आप इसको पॉजिटिव ही मानेंगे और टोटल लास्ट में इसको एडअप करेंगे इसका डेविएशन कैलकुलेट करने के बाद. इसी तरह से आप अगर मीन के थ्रू कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं तो मीन के थ्रू भी आप कर सकते हैं. सीरियल नंबर 9 सबसे पहले इसका मीन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, तो हमने इसको समेशन ऑफ x अपॉन n के हिसाब से, उस फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से हमने इसका मीन कैलकुलेशन किया था. तो मीन की वैल्यू आई थी 49. अब इस 49 से इसका डेविएशन हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो 40 - 49 हमने डेविएशन निकाला 9 मॉडुलस मेथड से, और फिर से इस सारी वैल्यूज को निकालने के बाद इसको हमने एडअप किया था, और एडअप करने के बाद फॉर्मूला में पुट किया और इसका हमने बहुत ही आसानी से मीन डेविएशन कैलकुलेट किया. तो आपने यहाँ देखा ये एब्सोल्यूट टर्म्स में भी हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और ये रिलेटिव टर्म्स में भी हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही आसान तरीका है, ठीक है. आई थिंक यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द कैलकुलेशन पार्ट ऑफ मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन एंड मीडियन in individual series. In the next video we will understand the calculation part of mean and calculation part of mean deviation about mean and median, okay, in discrete series and in continuous series. Thank you.